Welcome to Gorilla Weld, Gorilla Glue's strongest epoxy yet. It's ideal for bonding many different materials. With its no sag, gap-filling formulation, it's incredibly durable and capable of withstanding a wide range of temperatures. With our new technology, which forms an incredible bond of up to 4,250 psi. So let's get on with it. Gorilla Weld isn't just strong, it's also highly versatile. It bonds metals, plastics, concrete, ceramics, PVC, fiberglass and more. You just simply dispense, mix and apply. So once it's dry, this epoxy is highly adaptable. After curing, you can shape it, file it, sand it, tap it and drill it. Gorilla Weld can handle extreme temperatures of 148 to minus 40 degrees. First remove the cap and puncture the seal on both the resin and hardener tubes. Dispense equal parts onto a clean, disposable surface. Mix the two parts with a disposable tool until the colour is uniform throughout. Now apply the mix to one of the surfaces you wish to bond. This must be within 5 minutes of mixing the resin and the hardener. Once positioned in place, you have a working set time of 4 to 7 minutes. Grip or clamp the surfaces together and leave undisturbed for 15 to 30 minutes. Full cure can take up to 24 hours depending on temperature. We're going to show you how to fix this broken handle on this barbecue. The screw fixing has become damaged. Wipe the area to clear any oil or debris. We're going to apply Gorilla Weld to the surface of the barbecue. Put the handle in place, secure with a clamp, then leave to cure for 24 hours. Once Gorilla Weld has set, clear away any unwanted excess. And there we have it. Gorilla Weld is available now. Visit GORILLAGLUE.com today.